Electricity bills are increasing, power cuts are becoming more frequent, and in many parts of Bangalore and Karnataka, getting a permanent electricity connection itself is becoming difficult due to building approval and compliance issues. Hello everyone, this is Govardhan from Nirvana Solar. Today, many buildings are operating on temporary Vescom connections, limited sanction load, delayed approvals, or sometimes without proper permanent power access. So the real question is, why remain fully dependent on the grid when you can generate, store, and intelligently manage your own power? Welcome to the future of energy independence. Today we are going to explore how solar hybrid system works, smart energy system monitoring system, time of the day energy optimization, and why hybrid solar is becoming essential in Bangalore and Karnataka. Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on advanced solar technologies and intelligent energy solution. Let us begin. What is solar hybrid system? A solar hybrid system is the next generation of solar technology. It combines solar panels, battery storage, hybrid inverter, grid connection, smart monitoring system. All these components work together intelligently. Unlike ordinary solar systems, a hybrid system does not depend on just one power source. It smartly balances solar power, battery, the grid to provide continuous power to maximize saving, better energy control, backup during outages. Why traditional solar systems are no longer enough, like on-grid PV system. This system works only when the grid is available. There is no battery backup. During power cuts, the solar system also shut down. So you still remain dependent on the electricity board. Number two, off-grid system. This system works independently from the grid but requires large batteries, higher investment, more maintenance, limited scalability. The hybrid system, the smart choice, is ultimate choice. The hybrid solar system gives you solar savings, battery backup, grid support, intelligent automation. That's why hybrid solar is becoming the future of energy management in India. Why hybrid solar is becoming important in Bangalore? Today, hybrid solar is not just about backup power. Areas of Bangalore and Karnataka, consumers face challenges like delays in permanent Vescom connection, building compliance restrictions, dependence on temporary electricity. That's why hybrid solar is becoming the future of energy management in India. Why hybrid solar is becoming important in Bangalore? Today, hybrid solar is just not about backup power. In many areas of Bangalore and Karnataka, consumers face challenges like delays in permanent Vescom connections, building compliances restriction, dependence on temporary electricity connections, load limitation from utility supply. These are where a hybrid solar system becomes extremely valuable. Instead of waiting endlessly for higher sanction loads or permanent approvals, your property can intelligently operate using solar power, battery storage, limited grid support, all this.
This part of the video is sponsored by Power One Microsystems, a leading Bengaluru-based manufacturer of solar on-grid inverters, hybrid inverters, lithium ferrophosphate batteries, and online UPS systems. With over 25 years of experience serving the Indian market, the company is committed to delivering reliable, Make in India energy solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. For product information and business inquiries, visit www.power1ups.com.
Greater energy independence, reliable backup, control electricity usage, reduce dependency on utility complication, for homes, schools, clinics, and commercial buildings. Hybrid solar is becoming the smartest alternative to complete grid dependency. Main components of a hybrid solar system: solar panels. Solar panels generate electricity from sunlight during daytime. They are primary energy source. Hybrid inverter. This is the main brain of the system. The hybrid inverter converts DC to AC, manages power flow, controls battery charging, monitors grid interaction, optimizes energy usage. Now the battery bank. The battery bank stores excess solar energy for later use. Battery options include lithium batteries, lead acid batteries. But today, ferrophosphate lithium batteries are becoming more popular because of longer life, faster charging, higher efficiency, better safety, smart communication features. Now the grid connection. The system remains connected to the electricity grid whenever needed. This provides additional backup, flexibility, smart import and export capability. The next one is smart monitoring system. Using a mobile app or a web dashboard, you can monitor in real time solar generation, battery charging, load consumption, and grid import and export. Overall system performance to be monitored by this RMS. You can literally see where every unit of electricity is going. And once again, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more advanced solar knowledge and intelligent energy solution. This is Govardhan from Nirvana Solar signing off. Nirvana Solar, powering your future intelligently.